If you believe any information in your consumer disclosure report is inaccurate or incomplete, you have the right to submit a dispute. Two options are available. With ChexSystems, online, through fax, mail, or under most circumstances by telephone, or directly with the source of the information, for example, a financial institution. ChexSystems will review the details of your dispute and within 5 business days provide notification to the furnisher of the information. The furnisher will investigate the information based on your dispute and notify ChexSystems of the results. The investigation will be completed within 30 days or 21 days for residents of Maine. Based on the findings, the disputed information will be retained in your file, amended, or deleted. Let's walk through how to submit a dispute. From the ChexSystems.com homepage, click Dispute from the menu bar. To submit an online dispute, click Submit Your Dispute Now, or click here to read about other methods for submitting a dispute. Before proceeding, you must review the guidelines, agree to the terms and conditions, indicate whether you've previously received your consumer report, and verify your age and that you are submitting a dispute on your own behalf. If you're not 18 or older, or you're submitting a dispute for a minor, or on behalf of another person, follow the instructions shown here. To continue with an online request, enter the requested information in the fields provided. Enter your ChexSystems consumer ID if available. This number is listed on your consumer disclosure report. In the details section, enter the type of information you're disputing, such as reported information or inquiries, the source and date listed on the disputed information, and details about the nature of your dispute. To dispute multiple items, use the Add a Dispute button after entering the details for each item. A new dispute details window will open for each additional dispute. After all dispute details have been added, use the File Upload section to include any documentation that supports your dispute. When you're ready, enter the security code shown and click Submit. Please remember that an investigation can take up to 30 calendar days to complete. If additional documentation is provided by you while the investigation is in progress, it may be extended by an additional 15 days to allow the source of the information time for review.